hypertension can crash within seconds. When a person gets hypertension, it doesn't end there. There are additional diseases that come along with it if the precautionary measures are not taken seriously. In this video, I'll share with you 4 major organs that are mostly diseased or get affected when one gets hypertension. This video will be of help to you in 2 ways. 1. You will know 4 main organs of the human body that are most affected when one gets hypertension. 2. With this know, you can also teach your family and friends about it, and perhaps take a conscious effort to live a lifestyle that can distance you from getting the disease. If this is your first time watching my teachings, consider clicking on the subscribe button for more teachings like this. 4 major organs hypertension can pose problems to. 1. The eyes. Hypertension has a way of posing a problem to the eyes. This problem is called retinopathy. When you have hypertension and do not take cautious measures to minimize its impact on the human body, your eyes may be affected. The fact is, hypertension is a disease that affects the heart. When the heart is affected, its supply of blood is reduced. So in this case, the eyes do not get enough oxygenated blood to function. When this happens, you experience blurred vision and other visual changes that are related to retinopathy. 2. The brain. You may have heard of a disease known as stroke on several occasions. Stroke is a disorder that affects the brain. Hypertension is one of the causes of stroke. If you don't take the prescribed medicines or fails to adhere to the lifestyle modifications, such as dieting appropriately, exercising, etc., your blood pressure will go beyond the unexpected. In this case, the heart will not have the strength to supply enough oxygenated blood to the brain to function properly. In simple terms, when blood supply to the brain or a section of it is reduced, stroke becomes the next option. 3. The heart. Though the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the various parts of the body, it also needs some of the blood to be able to execute the pumping action each moment. Hypertension does not only reduce the rate at which the heart sheds blood to other organs like the eyes and the brain as mentioned earlier, but also has itself affected. It cannot pump the blood for itself as well. When this happens, you are likely to have disorders such as heart failure, myocardial infarction, and the likes. This doesn't mean if you have hypertension, you will have heart failure and other related disorders. No. People who are likely to have additional disorders are those who have been diagnosed as having hypertension, but out of disbelief and doubt, don't want to follow the right prescriptions given by the health personnel. 4. The kidneys. The kidney is one of the vital organs of the human body. Your kidneys and your heart are related. A strong bond exists between these 2 organs that when one is troubled, the other is troubled as well. Your kidneys will fail to function appropriately when your heart is in trouble, like being burdened with hypertension. If I'm to talk about the bond of these 2 organs, this video can't contain it. But know that your kidneys will fail the moment blood supply to them is cut. This results in kidney failure. In summary, if you are watching this video, I want you to know that you have every cause to protect your heart, whether you have hypertension or not, because when your heart becomes diseased, a whole lot of abnormal activities happen to your body. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned some things more about your health. I believe others are willing to learn similar things you have learned here. Share this video with them as well as on other social media platforms. Your health should be your priority. Do also subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to have my videos first. I have a video on the screen now I recommend you watch. See you.